Hello students, today we are going to read the fourth topic. The name of this topic is THREE3 FRIENDS. Friends, three friends. So this is a story in which we have three friends. So we shall start reading this story and see who are these three friends. Nanu, Nanu, Lives, lives in the forest, forest. With, his, mother, mother, and father. Nanu lives in the forest with his mother and father. Ellie, the elephant. Elephant, elephant is his friend. Friend, friend. Ellie, the elephant, is his friend. They, they, play, play. Together, together. They play together. So now let's begin with the story. Nanu, Nanu and Ellie, Ellie are friends. Friends, friends. They go to a pond. Pond, pond. They play with. With water. Water. They they hear. Hear someone. Someone, someone. Cry, cry. Help, help, help. Nanu and Ellie are friends. They go to a pond. They play with water. They hear someone cry, help, help. Nanu, Nanu, climbs a tree. Tree. He sees, sees a small, small monkey. Monkey, monkey. On, top of a big tree. Tree. The small, small, monkey is sad. Sad. He can't. Can't. Get. Down. Nanu climbs a tree. He sees a small monkey on top of a big tree. The small monkey is sad. He can't get down. You can see here the picture. In the first picture, Nanu and Ellie, they are in the pond. They are playing with each other. And here in this second picture, you can see Nanu has climbed a tree and he can see that a small monkey on a big tree. The monkey is very sad because he is not able to get down from the tree. Page number 26. He reaches. reaches, reaches the small monkey. He tells, tells, tells him, him to climb, climb, climb on his back, back, back. You can see here the picture. Nanu has reached the small monkey and he is asking this small monkey to climb on his back. The small, small, small monkey, monkey, monkey climbs, climbs, climbs on his back. So here in the picture you can see the small monkey has climbed on Nanu's back. Nanu, Nanu swings, swings, swings from, from one branch, branch, branch to another, another, another branch, branch. So in this picture you can see the small monkey is sitting on Nanu's back and Nanu is swinging from one branch to the other branch. He reaches, 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 Ellie, Ellie. Ellie is happy, happy, happy to see, see the small, small, small monkey, monkey, monkey. Nanu, Nanu, Nanu is happy, happy, happy. The small, small, small monkey, monkey, monkey is happy, happy, happy to, to. So here you can see in this picture. Now Nanu and the small monkey, they have reached on the ground where Ellie was waiting for both of them, and Ellie is happy to see that small monkey. Nanu is also very happy because he has helped the small monkey to get down from the tree. So you can see here. Now, N-O-W, now, N-A-N-U, Nanu, and Ellie, E-L-E-E, Ellie, H-A-V-E, have one more, M-O-R-E, more, friend, F-R-I-E-N-D, friend, H-I-S, his, N-A-M-E, name, is, M-A-N-U, Manu. Now, Nanu and Ellie have one more friend. His name is Manu. So here you can see the picture how all these three are happy. Ellie the elephant, Nanu the boy, and the small monkey's name is Manu, M-A-N-U, Manu. And Nanu and Ellie, they have got one more friend, that is the small monkey Manu. So students, did you like the story of these three friends? Try to tell this story to your parents or your sisters and brothers.